Hey guys, welcome back. If you've got that annoying scratchy, painful sore throat and you're wondering how do I actually feel better fast? Today we're talking about exactly that real, simple, effective ways to ease and help cure your sore throat at home. First off, you're not alone. Sore throat is one of the most searched topics when people get sick because it makes talking, eating, even swallowing water painful. I want you to imagine waking up in the morning and not feeling that burn every time you speak. We're going to get you there, step by step. Now, let's start with the first thing you can do right now at home. Grab a glass of warm water and add about half a teaspoon of salt. Yes, just salt and warm water, and gargle it for about 30 seconds. This age-old remedy helps draw out the swelling, soothe the pain, and reduce bacteria in your throat. Do this a few times a day and you'll notice the pain start to ease. People have been doing this for generations because it works. Next, let's talk about something sweeter and comforting: honey. Honey isn't just tasty, it's packed with natural antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. You can add a spoonful of honey to a cup of warm water or herbal tea and slowly sip it. This doesn't just soothe your throat, it coats it, giving you lasting relief and helping calm that irritation. You've probably seen honey tea all over the internet because it's one of the most viral home remedies people swear by. Now, if you want something herbal and calming, chamomile tea is another great choice. Chamomile is naturally soothing and has been used for centuries to relieve throat discomfort. You can drink it warm, breathe in the steam as you sip, and let that warmth relax your muscles and support your immune system. But don't stop there. Herbs like peppermint can also help calm soreness, especially if you're dealing with mucus or cough alongside your sore throat. Peppermint contains menthol, which helps thin mucus and cool down irritation. Let's also talk remedies like turmeric, a powerful anti-inflammatory spice. You can mix a little turmeric in warm milk or water and drink it before bed. It's especially popular because turmeric helps with swelling and can boost your body's natural healing response. Another tip that gets searched a lot is steam inhalation. This is super simple. Just warm up some water, lean over it carefully, and let the steam fill your airways. Steam loosens mucus, keeps your throat moist, and helps you breathe easier, especially if your sore throat came with congestion. Now listen, while all these remedies give you fast symptom relief, remember that if your throat pain is severe, if you can't swallow, or if you have a high fever, you should talk to a doctor. Sore throats usually get better in a few days with proper care, but sometimes they need more attention. So to recap, saltwater gargle, honey and herbal teas, turmeric drinks, steam inhalation, staying hydrated, and resting your voice are some of the most searched and trusted ways to ease sore throat pain naturally. Try them out one by one or mix them together because the goal here is comfort, healing, and feeling better as fast as possible. Thanks for watching. Drop a comment with which remedy worked best for you, and don't forget to subscribe if you want more health tips like this.